Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Now Christmas trees are already going up, but you gotta remember, we're still in fall. So today I'll be making 3 Starbucks inspired drinks that's gonna be sure to warm you up this fall. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
I'll start by making the salted caramel mocha. Now I use the Keurig machine with a K-cup, but instant coffee can also be used. In goes the coffee. Top with the whipped cream. And drizzled with a bit of that salted caramel sauce. Next up is going to be the pumpkin spice latte. Now, if you don't have pumpkin spice, you can actually make your own pumpkin spice using ground cinnamon, ground ginger, ground cloves, and ground nutmeg. Same steps as the last one. Our pumpkin spice latte, topped with some whipped cream and dusted with a little bit of that pumpkin spice. And finally, our pumpkin hot chocolate. Now, I used unsweetened cocoa powder and then added sugar, but you can use sweetened cocoa powder. Details for all three drinks will be found in the description box below. Top with some chocolate shavings, and this hot chocolate is ready to go. There you go, 3 Starbucks inspired drinks, our salted caramel mocha, our pumpkin spice latte, and our pumpkin hot chocolate. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for the continued support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!